a new video so I don't have to stop it in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to rearrange that matrix correctly. So negative 8a plus the system minus 2c plus d, 8a plus 4b plus 2c plus d, and of course this is 8 and this is 2. 12a minus 2b plus c equals 0, and 12a plus 2b plus c equals 0. And now let's identify those matrices. A is the coefficient matrix, and it is this matrix of the coefficients. Negative 8, 8, 12, 12. 4, 4, negative 2, positive 2. Negative 2, 2, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0. So negative 8, 8, 12, 12. 4, 4, negative 2, 2. Negative 2, 2, 1, 1. 1, 1, 0, 0. The matrix of variables is a column matrix A, B, C, D. The B matrix, which normally is denoted by lowercase b, is the matrix of free terms. Also a column matrix. And you can, and I can show how, when we multiply these, we get that. So when we multiply both sides on the left by A inverse, we will get the matrix. You can say, oh, this is so long, it's a big theory. Not really. Once I have the two matrices in the calculator, we're done. The method works if, so it works if A inverse exists. We say if this matrix is invertible. This matrix, not this one. If this matrix is invertible, if it has A inverse. If it doesn't, the method is useless. Okay? So if matrix A is invertible, if it has an inverse, then the method works. And that happens when its determinant is not 0. Okay, so we go to second and matrices. And I will go to edit. And I have to edit a matrix that is a 4 by 4. 4 rows, 4 columns. So I have to enter 4 by 4. 4 by 4. And I enter negative 8, 4, negative 2, 1, 8, 4, 2, 1, 12, negative 2, 1, 0, 12, 2, 1, 0. I'm checking my numbers. Yes. Yes. Get out of there and go back in, because now I need to, not this, I need to enter this matrix. So I will edit, but now I'm editing matrix B, and it's a 4 by 1. 4 by 1, and I have 8, 2, 0, 0. 8, 2, 0, 0. Get out of there, clear. So now I called matrix A. I put power negative 1 on it, right here, and I multiply by calling matrix B. That's it. A inverse times B. A inverse times B, it will give me a column matrix, A, B, C, and D. Enter. A is 0.1875, B is 0, C is negative 2.25, and D is 5. So I have now the function. So it was y equals 0.1875x cubed minus 2.25x plus 5. And this is guaranteed to have horizontal tangents at the points negative 2, 8 and 2, 2. So it looked long because I had to explain what the inverse matrix was and how to enter them and so on and so forth. But other than that, it's just 1 minute, 2 minutes to enter the matrices and just multiply them. So after entering the matrices, all I needed to do, call matrix A and multiply, put the power -1 right here, and multiply by matrix B. And I got the answer. Good. Anything else? Are you still there? I hope I didn't lose anyone. I'm just hoping.
To do another problem that was similar with the horizontals. Hold on, I saw.
Yeah, I'm ready.
To find it.
Yes, I'm ready.
I'm looking. Hold on. Okay, it was question number 4.
I'm ready. From the test?
Yes. It's find the points on the curve. And
Okay.
the function given is y equals 2x to the third plus 3x to the second minus 12x plus 3. And it says that the horizontal line, or the tangent is a horizontal line.
And we're given a point?
And no point is given. It's asking to find the points.
To find the points where the tangent is horizontal?
Yes.
Perfect. Can anyone get us started on the correct path? Anyone?
Do you find the derivative?
Of course, thank you. So y prime will be 6x squared plus 6x minus 12. And since the tangents are horizontal, what has to happen?
Must equal 0.
Very good. Awesome. So, of course, I will write 6x squared plus 6x minus 12. And I know we've been together only for a month and a half, but you know what I'm going to do next.
Divide the 6 out.
Of course. Thank you very much. So x squared plus x minus 2, because it's so much easier, and dividing by 6 will not change the solution. Always, as one of my friends says, I am running a clean ship. So please always run a clean ship. And this is x plus 2 and x minus 1. And then we have x equals -2 and x equals 1. But since we're asked to find the points, you don't have to name them P and Q. You don't have to name them at all. But you have to find the point. So if I'm...
So then the y value would be...
I have to plug it in.
Never mind. Yeah.
So in y equals, I recommend that 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 12x and plus 3, and go second and second and table, -2 and 1, 23 and -4.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anything else?
If no one else got questions, like number 6 on the practice exam.
It's not, just 1 second, it's not Oscar, is Mark. I muted him now. Sorry, Mark. So unmute yourself because you want to talk now. So sorry. You said which problem?
Number 6.
Number 6. Okay. Okay, he's muted now. Okay, number 6 from the test, right? Yeah, look at that. I can go back on my test. Number 6, number 7, number 6. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve. Okay, so we have y equals 1 plus 2x to power 11, 0, comma 1. And we want the equation of the tangent line. So we have y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. But I need to determine this by finding y prime, 11, 1 plus 2x to the 10th power times 2. And I have to plug in 0 here. So this is 22, 1 plus 2x to the 10th, and when I plug in 0, I get 22. So then y equals 22x, and then I add 1. I wouldn't say that all problems, but 99% of them will just have 2-3 lines.
Can we do number 2 next?
Yes. Any questions on this before we continue with number 2? Mark, is this okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Number 2. Let me see. Can I go back to 2? Yeah, I can go back to 2. Okay. So we have s of t equals t cubed minus 3t. So I make myself a note. This is in meters, and this is in seconds. And of course, t must be greater or equal to 0. Find the velocity and acceleration. So the velocity is the first derivative of the distance, which is 3t squared minus 3. The acceleration is the first derivative of the velocity or the second derivative of the distance, which is 6t. Find acceleration after 8 seconds. A of t, 48 meters per second squared. Find acceleration when the velocity is 0. V of t equals 0, means 3 squared minus 3 equals 0, and of course I'll divide by 3. And I get t squared minus 1 equals 0, or t equals 1 and t equals negative 1. Not possible in seconds. So find the velocity, find the acceleration with the velocity is 0. So I have a of 1 equals 6 meters per second squared.